Did you know the global custom t-shirt printing market is projected to reach billions in the coming years? With the rise of e-commerce and print-on-demand services, starting a t-shirt business has never been more accessible or potentially profitable. Imagine turning your creative ideas into a thriving online store, reaching customers worldwide, and generating passive income. Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your own t-shirt business with AI. And I found a new super easy way to create and get the best designs that will sell. Forget doing research, designing, and putting in hours and hours of work. This method is your lifesaver. Are you excited yet? Well, let's go. Click the link in the description and go to Google's AI Studio. Make sure you have selected here the Gemini 2.0 Flash Image Generation Experimental. Now type something like, "Hello, I want you to generate the t-shirt designs in images that will sell. Use all the knowledge you have, Google Trends, etc. Good luck. Give me like 7 image designs." And my word, this is so fast. Let's pick this one and download it. Now, right, I will pick this one. Please give me the image in transparent background and now upload the image. Okay, for some reason it is green now. And now the text is gone. But eventually everything will be all right. As you can see, we can simply talk to Gemini and request changed in the same image. I mean, we can request changes in the same image. This is Photoshop 2.0. Okay, I do not like the cuter eyes. I will pick this one. The quality of the image is great, not gonna lie, but we will upscale it some more because we need the best quality for our t-shirts. Go to the CapCut image enlarger and upload the image. Now upscale it to 4K quality and download it. As you can see here in the left corner, there is the Gemini watermark. So let's crop the image to get rid of it. Now you could search on Google for any AI background remover like this one. Or you can use Canva like I am doing right now. Now save it in the highest pixel count possible and keep the transparent background bow checked. Now we can use this designs on our t-shirts. For this tutorial we will use Redbubble. Let's log in. Now click on Add New Work and add the design. Now let's talk to Gemini. I will upload it to Redbubble. Please give me the title, tags, and description for that design so it will sell. Perfect. Now we can copy and paste it. Now check if the design is nice and save your work. And that's it. Now we can already make money from that design. Let's create another design. So let's ask, thanks. Now I want you to give me another image design. This time it should be a design that will sell instantly on Redbubble. Do your research and give me the best you've got. This one is amazing. Let's download it. Let's remove the background. Okay, maybe I need to make the background neon green. Oh, and let's upscale it in CapCut. Let's crop the watermark out. Then I had some conversations about that. It should add a stroke to the text. And guys, after a lot of tweaks, each time the image quality goes a bit down. So you are better off deleting the wrong generations and ask again, like I did. Okay, then I uploaded it to Redbubble, added the tags, etc. And then came to the conclusion that the text is wrong in the design. And I tried to get Gemini to fix it, but that didn't work. Here, look. But, okay, It is not that hard to add such a simple text with a black thin stroke to the design. Just amazing. I will put both design in the description, so if you want to buy it, go ahead, haha. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own t-shirt business with AI. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye.